we are on the path of making it as a natural for us to speak. That's my take.
Yeah, nice. Sridhar, you said you had a question. You want to discuss now or in the next session?
No, if you're all okay, I can throw that question now, or at least I can ask this question now.
Go for it.
So this question is all about all of us are from corporate world, more or less, majority. So some of us would have faced that long back, or would be facing sooner or later about office politics. The fear of someone snatching the credibility. So at least I experienced it in the recent ongoing one. So I mentioned about the name engagement and all that. So I'm trying my best to just convey that message that we are not competitors, we are companions, but still there is some reservation, there is some information wall being built so that information will not go, other person will not get that and be prepared and all that. So how do we overcome? What's our self-talk and what's our talk to others to overcome this sort of office politics? That was my
about overall office politics. We'll do an entire session. I have a guest expert who's probably will come in the month of November, who will do a session on exactly office politics for corporations, especially like large corporates or businesses as well. That's a whole different subject, but I understand the question, the slice of the question in the entire pie. What do I do when I have the companion mindset the other person is not understanding? Right? That's the main point here. What's the self-talk? How can I tell other people? What can I tell other people? First thing you have to understand this. Abundance, this word, abundance versus scarcity. This is a very important choice. People who believe in collaboration are abundant mindset. People like you. People who are not, they're always like, I'm in a competition all the time. Look, I believe in competition. A healthy competition is needed. Otherwise, like imagine India, Pakistan is playing and they're saying, let's play as companions. No, we need competition there for sure. But also in the organization too, a healthy competition is required. But what you're talking about is we compete, but let's not take it personally. Let's do it in a way that improves everybody. I heard from a wonderful sales professional once. I don't know, anybody here knows the name Rodi Viren? I know Rajesh probably knows Rodi Viren, the name from the book Take the Stairs. So he has a, anyways, his colleague Dave Brown said, collaboration unites strangers, competition creates them. Collaboration unites strangers, competition creates strangers. So first thing to understand, Sridhar, is not everybody has your level of maturity, your level of frequency. Not everybody will understand that. God grant me the courage to accept the things that I can, the courage to change the things I can, accept the things that I cannot, and the serenity and the wisdom to know the difference, the serenity prayer. You cannot change other people. You cannot change his mindset by any chance at all. First, accept that so that you become stress-free. He will not be collaborative by nature. Probably he or she, whoever that is, accept it. I'm telling something to you, Sridhar, right now from my personal experience. If you want to be happy, the next line you probably will not expect what I'm going to say. Expect people to be assholes. If you want to be happy, expect people to be ungrateful. Anupama's father once told something to me that I remember. He said it in Bengali. He said, if you ever feel that somebody is doing bad to you, check back history. You might have done something good to him. History says that. If you do something good for them, they will do bad to you. Accept it as a reality. It may not happen. It's not a negative mindset. It's a realistic mindset. Expect people to be negative. Expect people to be ungrateful. That's the first thing. People will not be like you. People will not be like me. People will be morons. People will be always thinking from the scarcity mindset. I'll take advantage. I'll do this. This is normal. This is 99% of the sheep. That's why you want to be a lion, not a sheep. So the first step is, you can talk to them, you can do them, but understand 99% of the chance they will not change based on anything you say. They will not change based on if God Shiva will come, he will ask for an identity card from the Lord Shiva. Show me your Aadhaar card. That's what this person will ask for. Okay, so first step is this. Second, if you want to teach anybody, And that's why elite people are here, the exceptional 0.1% of everybody here, because you play from an abundance point of view. You have changed your life. You have a different point of view. If you want other people to get your point of view, all you have to do is demonstrate that action over a period of time. Time is required for them to observe. Now, never is the category of one that you should never focus on. They will never change. They won't change no matter what. Second is, so never. This is the kind of person you're talking about. Second is new. They are new to your ideas. Give them time to mature. Third is not yet. They are kinda sold on your idea, but give them a bit of space to fully believe. Fourth is now. They are already believers. They need your leadership. Four categories of people. Okay. Never kind of people, they won't change. So stop. This convincing them is the number one reason of stress. Don't do it. If that person is new means doesn't mean new in the company, means new to your idea, that you are sharing something, they're new. You're understanding that they're getting a bit. So they are new to your ideas. Give them time to mature. They need repetition. What they need from you is repetition of the idea. They need to hear in different formats, and they will become not yet. Not yet means they kind of believe, they kind of sold and believe in your idea, but they need a bit more time or space to fully believe. What they need is examples, case studies, or some kind of stories. And that's when they believe very soon. And then there are the now people. Now people means they're already believers in your ideas. They just need your leadership. They are with you. So the person you're talking about probably is in never category or new category in this two. If he's in the new, give them time and repeat the idea. If you understand they never change, if you look at their history, they never change their ideas, stop doing it. Stop saying anything at all to them. Makes sense? Sridhar, does that give you a little idea?
Yeah. So, thank you so much. Thank you.
So because today is a storytelling session, I'll tell you a quick story that I was telling 4 kids just the other day. I think it's a very powerful lesson.
Bishal.
Oh no, I already told them. Sorry, yes, Pallavi.
Before you move ahead, you mentioned about this line, accept, expect, and something else, wisdom, something. Yes. Can you repeat that?
It's called the serenity prayer. God, give me the courage to change the things I can, accept the things I cannot, and the wisdom to know the difference. Right? There is a flood. You love dogs. A lot of puppies are dying. Can you change it? No. So Lord, give me the courage to accept the things I cannot change. Courage to change the things that I can change. What can I change? Somebody's throwing stone at a dog. I can raise my voice. I can't change that. And I need the wisdom to know the difference. What can I change and what I cannot? If you try to change the things that you cannot and you are silent on the things that you can, that's a frustrating life. So I don't put my focus on why an earthquake happened. Like, I have no idea. I cannot change that. That's God's business. So Byron Katie, I don't know if you know the lady, she says there are 3 businesses: my business, your business, and God's business. My business means the things I change. Your business means you wear what you want to wear, like, or like you do what you want to do. Like, if somebody very close to me, I'll probably say something. But apart from that, like, you do what you want to do. And then God's business, rain, earthquake, like, that's not my business. I'm not gonna involve me into thinking why God did. Like, that's his business or her business. I'm gonna put into what I control. God grant me the courage to change the things I can, accept the things I cannot, and the wisdom to know the difference. Right? The wisdom to know the difference. The story I was still talking about quickly, I already said, so now I remember, Sridhar. The story is about arguing with the donkey. Right? That's the same story. The grass is red, the grass is red, the tiger says, the grass is green. They go to the lion. Which one do you think it is? And the lion said, the tiger must be punished. You cannot eat, you cannot speak for 7 days. 7 days later on, the tiger comes and says, King, master, why did you punish me when you should have punished him? He said, I didn't punish you for the grass. I punished you because you argued with a donkey. You argued with a donkey. And not only you argued with a donkey, you came to get your answers reviewed by me, wasting my time with the donkey. That's why you should be punished. So I'm not implying anybody that doesn't understand your idea as a donkey, or maybe I am, I don't know. What I'm saying is, see if they are in the never category, in the new category, in the not yet category, or the now category, and just put your focus there. If it's a never, don't stress at all. Okay.